Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on expanding Surds brackets worksheet. So this video gives you a worksheet on expanding surds where brackets are concerned. So we're asked to remove the brackets from the following and collect like terms where possible. So there are 10 examples here. So each of the answers will have no brackets at the end. If you're not sure how to proceed, there is a lesson on this very topic. So when you get to the last slide, click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so before I move on to the answers on the next slide so you can see how you went. And let's move on to the answers now. Now, if you need to pause this slide, you can do so for as long as you like, but here are the answers. Again, I'll leave it on for a minute or so before we move on to the last slide. By all means, pause this for as long as you like to check your answers. And we move on to the last slide now, and here it is.